Happy morning, children. I hope all are good. Today, we are going to see the subject social science. In that, we are going to see history. A new lesson. This lesson is very small. We are going to learn it. Okay. This is a small story. Lesson name is Alexander the Great. Alexander the Great. Okay, shall we see? Alexander was a Greek king. Alexander was a Greek king. You all know who is king? Yes. He lived more than 2000 years ago. Alexander lived more than 2000 years ago. He was a great warrior. Warrior means a person who fights in a battle, or a soldier. You all know who's soldier. Yes. He's a great warrior. He wanted to build an emperor. Emperor means, yes, you already learned in your previous lesson what is emperor. He wanted to build an emperor. So he marched with his army towards the east. He wanted to build an emperor, no? So he wanted to move towards the east. So he marched with his army towards the east. He defeated the Persian emperor. Alexander defeated one Persian emperor. He marched further and came to India. Marched means what? To walk with regular steps. Okay. Marched means to walk with regular steps. He marched further and came to India. And then after that, many Indian kings were afraid. Many Indian kings were afraid. What does mean by afraid, children? Fear. Afraid means you have fear of something. Okay. Indian kings were afraid. So they made peace with Alexander. They are very afraid, no? So they made peace with Alexander. Peace means, yes, amaidi. Peace with Alexander. And then, but Porus is another king of Punjab. Punjab is a state in India. Was not afraid. But Porus, king of Punjab, was not afraid. Other Indian kings are very afraid of Alexander. But that Porus king was not afraid. He fought with Alexander bravely. Porus was defeated. Defeated means what, children? To win a game, a fight against somebody. Okay, to win a game, a fight against to somebody is called defeated. And then Alexander asked Porus how he wanted to treated. Alexander asked means, yes, you already know, Porus how he wanted to treat, how he wanted to be treated. Porus replied boldly. Porus king replied to Alexander very boldly, like a king. Porus king replied, like a king, you have to treat me. Alexander was pleased with his reply. Alexander was pleased with his reply. He returned the kingdom of Porus. So he returned the kingdom of Porus. But this time Alexander's soldiers were very tired of fighting. By this time Alexander's soldiers were tired of fighting. They wanted to go home. So Alexander returned with his army to Greece. So Alexander, he came back to his country. He returned back with his army to Greece. On the way he fell ill and died. On the way he get ill and died. After his death, his big emperor broken up into a small kingdom. After his death, his big emperor broken up into small kingdom. After his death, his big emperor broke up into small kingdom. Alexander was a young man. Within a few years, he conquered many kingdoms and established a big empire. Within a few years, he conquered many kingdoms and established a big empire. Establish means to start new things, to build up. This big emperor broken up into a small kingdoms. Alexander, he was also a good ruler. So he is called the Alexander the Great. Okay, children, he was a Greek king. He lived 2000 years ago. He was a great warrior. Warrior means what? I already told you. A person who fight in a battle. He wanted to build up his empire. So he marched the army to the east. He came to India. Many Indian kings are very afraid. But the Porus king was not afraid. He is bravely. Porus replied very boldly. Alexander was pleased with his reply. He returned the kingdom of Porus. By the time Alexander's soldiers were tired of fighting, so they wanted to go home. Alexander returned with his army to his country. By the way, he fell ill and died. Alexander was a young man. He was also a good ruler. So he is called Alexander the Great. Okay, children, shall we see the hard words in this lesson? Okay. First one, Greek king. Greek king. Greek. Greek king. 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 Greek king. Greek. Greek king. King. Second one, warrior. Warrior. W-A-R-R-I-O-R, warrior. W-A-R-R-I-O-R, warrior. A person who fight in a battle. It's the meaning of warrior. Next, emperor. Emperor. Emperor, the ruler. Emperor means the ruler. E-M-P-E-R-O-R, emperor. E-M-P-E-R-O-R, emperor. Fourth one, afraid. Afraid. A-F-R-A-I-D, afraid. A-F-R-A-I-D, afraid. Afraid means you have a fear of something. You have a fear of something. Afraid. A-F-R-A-I-D, afraid. Afraid means you have a fear of something. Next, porous. P-O-R-U-S, porous. P-O-R-U-S, porous. P-O-R-U-S, porous is a king. Sixth one, Punjab. Punjab. Punjab is a state. P-U-N-J-A-B, Punjab. P-U-N-J-A-B, Punjab. P-U-N-J-A-B, Punjab. Seventh one, bravely. Bravely. B-R-A-V-E-L-Y, bravely. Bravely means in a way that shows a willingness to face and endure dangers or a pain. In a way that shows a willingness to face and endure danger or fear. Bravely. B-R-A-V-E-L-Y, bravely. B-R-A-V-E-L-Y, bravely. Eighth one, defeated. Defeated. D-E-F-E-A-T-E-D, defeated. D-E-F-E-A-T-E-D, defeated. To win a game, a fight against someone. To win a game, a fight against somebody or someone. Defeated. D-E-F-E-A-T-E-D, defeated. Next, pleased. P-L-E-A-S-E-D, happy or satisfied about something. P-L-E-E-A-S-E-D, P-L-E-A-S-E-D, P-L-E-A-S-E-D. Kingdom. K-I-N-G-D-O-M, K-I-N-G-D-O-M, kingdom. 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 First one, Greek king. Greek. King. Greek king. Second one, warrior. 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 Emperor. 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 Afraid. 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 Porous. 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 Punjab. 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 Bravely. 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 Defeated. 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 Pleased. 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 Kingdom. 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 Okay, children, read and write these hard words. Okay, say the spelling and write the hard words. Thank you, children. God bless you.